Welcome to Unit 8. In Unit 8, we're going to be working with dates and times as well as doing some date functions. Let's put in today's date, and if you remember, it is control semicolon that will put in today's date. Now, it's very important to understand how dates are stored in Excel. They're actually stored as a serial number. In other words, you'll see there's a date format on this, and if I change it to general, you get what appears to be a serial number. Now, what this does is it measures the number of days from the 1st of January 1900. So in other words, there's 42,647 days since the 1st of Jan 1900. So if ever you type something and it's a serial number like this, or it's a date stored as a serial number, you could just go here and change it back to a date format. But that is how dates are stored in Excel. Now, to put in the time, the shortcut for that is Control Shift semicolon. And as you can see, it's 1308. Now, what that does is if I change it to a general number format, it stores it as a fractional portion of a 24-hour day. So if I wanted to change that back to a time format, again, I could use that format over there. Now, to work out the number of days between two different dates, you merely have to minus them. So let's just choose a date. Any date will do. What you need to do is equals that date minus that date will give you. Okay, can you see I've got a value error? And the reason for that is, can you see how the date is flicking to the left? We spoke about this in a previous unit. I've typed the date the wrong way around. In other words, the 23rd is a month, so it should have been the 7th, 23rd to 16. Okay, and that's telling me there are 73 days between these two dates. If I wanted to work this out to number of weeks, I could just select that and divide by 7. Obviously, I can decrease the decimals to round it. So that would be 10 weeks. And if I wanted to work out years, I would take that and divide by 365. It will never be 100% accurate because some years have 365 days, some years have 366. Okay, and as you can see, we're in the same year. So let me change this date to exactly the same, but just a different year. And as you can see, it is 1 year exactly. Now the time, let's take 7 o'clock in the morning, and I could work out that minus that would be equal to 6 hours exactly between the two.